So I've just got this 2017 MacBook Pro, and I've noticed there's a knocking sound coming from it. When you tilt it from side to side, the knocking sound comes. And it can get quite annoying sometimes. It's like there's something loose inside the machine, and it's probably not built properly. And so I think I'm going to send this back. But it's quite disappointing because this is an expensive laptop, and it seems like the testing is lacking in Apple. They're not testing the laptops properly, or not building them properly, maybe I should say. So this will probably be going back, and I hope the next one comes better built than this one.